Why is God the standard for goodness?
Because we apprehend this realm of moral values and duties, we recognize intuitively that there is such a thing as right and wrong, which means that's not just up to human beings. There's a moral law that transcends any human court. And we don't have obligations to an impersonal universe. There has to be a proper authority, a personal authority in place that we owe allegiance to. The only source that makes sense for the moral law is a moral lawgiver. God's unchanging and eternal nature is the standard for goodness and how we define right and wrong.